after being in the fridge for 8 hours, we're gonna see what's inside of it. It's probably just gonna be frozen. So, yep. Oh gosh, that's weird. Yep, that's super weird. I need like a knife to pry it open or something. I don't want it melting. Wow, this is really, really hard to get out of its like shell thing. This won't come off.
All right. So I guess I'm turning now. So it looks like you filled it a little too much, so it seeped over the edge, and that's not helping.
It doesn't really matter if it seeped over the edge.
Yeah, but then it's harder to pry it like this.
Don't break it.
Try not to. It's coming out.
It came out.
There we go.
It's like a dice thing. Pretty cool, I guess. I mean,
20-sided.
I got 17. Pretty good. So yeah, there's only one thing left to do except for smash it. So let's go smash it. Okay, before I smash this thing, I just want to admire it because it looks really cool. I mean, it's pretty cool how it got all of that, and it's pretty impressive that it came out without getting crushed, because my brother, when he did it, his oolek die just kind of broke into pieces. So yeah, it's pretty cool, I guess, but now we're gonna smash it with a hammer because we want to. 3, 2, 1. Wow, it's actually pretty indestructible. I mean, you can see it kind of got like smashed there, but other than that, it's all intact. So, I mean, I guess we'll try and smash it even more, I guess. I mean, nothing's really happened to it except for that and that and that and that. It's turning more into slime now because it's getting hotter, so. Wow, this thing's pretty indestructible, so. Let's hit it again, I guess. I mean, it's kind of done. Pretty broken, I guess. Got smashed, but do it like a little bit more. Throw it against a tree, I guess. Yeah, now it's all dirty. Pretty gross, and it's turning into slime now. So, I think it's kind of done, but thank y'all for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and yeah, see you next time.